Good morning everyone, I'm on the way to Silverstone for my most recent track day in my E46 so I can test out all my new modifications. It's nearly 8 o'clock, I'm a little bit later than I expected to be. Spent a bit longer in my workshop packing things up. The car's fully laden, still managed to fit everything I needed in with the cross brace. Quite tired, it's a race weekend again yesterday. But yeah, here we go. I'm on my phone because I left my GoPro in the boot, but I assure you the rest of the footage will be much better than this. Well, here we are for the second go. I've had one already, didn't put the camera in. I did have a spin though, so I'm pretty gutted that we missed that, but it's the second go. That was a pretty good outing. Felt like I was being a bit of a fanny. Maybe I lost a bit of confidence with my little spin. Car feels alright. I'm just in the greasy conditions. I'm struggling to feel where the grip is. Yeah, having fun anyway. Still good fun. That's the point of it. it's the day after the track day. All went really well, had fun, which is the aim of the game. It was nice to spend some time at a racetrack having fun rather than working, and doing it with a few mates was nice. The car went really well, I'm happy with the handling and the reliability. I did spin it on the first session, like the warm-up sort of thing. Spun it at Cops, which is quite a fast turn, and obviously it was wet. Didn't hit anything, came to a stop, got going again, did a few more laps, then came in. Didn't really get to the bottom of wire spun until later on in the last session, which unfortunately my GoPro had run out of memory. I went out with my friend Phil and he was giving me some pointers. It's basically just the way I was coming off the brakes. I was unloading the car. I wasn't training the brakes in deep enough, so it's part of the learning phase. It's been a long time since I spun a car on a track day. That was obviously good fun. The second time later on it was at Abbey, which is probably the fastest corner on the circuit, going past the new wing. But yeah, it's good fun. I've got a couple of things to change before my next track day, which would be Brand's GP circuit. I haven't driven Brand's GP before, so that'd be really good. Doing it with the same couple of mates, so in our M3s, which would be nice. I've spoken to EBC and they're giving me a slightly different compound of pads to try, which should be less grabby on my car. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll try and get some better footage next time. Like, share and subscribe. I do this YouTube for fun, so it's nice to see that people are enjoying it. Yeah, take care, and thank you very much.